This is a resistor. It's one of the most basic electronic components, and I use it all the time in circuits just like this. This is a photoresistor. It's a type of resistor that changes its resistance based on the amount of light hitting it, and we're going to use it to build a tremolo. We're going to do this by building a circuit that controls the volume of our guitar signal and is controlled by this photoresistor. So that means that instead of using a knob to control the volume, we're going to use a light. So when the photoresistor detects light, it will reduce the volume of our signal. Now that we have a light-sensitive volume circuit, we need to create a circuit that flashes an LED light on and off to control it. I've done this using an NE555 timer chip, and here's what it looks like flashing an LED light on and off. With a really simple change to the schematic, we can add a speed knob to adjust the speed of the light flashing in our circuit. Now it's time to actually connect our guitar to the circuit. But before we do that, we need to give our signal just a little bit of a boost. This part is a little bit more complicated and honestly deserves a video of its own, but long story short, it just outputs our signal, but louder, and it makes up for lost signal once we run it through our volume control. Now if we connect it to the amp, we can actually hear our signal, and boom, we have connected our guitar. Now if we run that signal through the optical volume control that we already made, we have officially connected all three parts of the circuit. Here's the updated schematic, and here it is showing what each part of the circuit does. We have the LED flasher, the boost circuit, and the volume control. Now, a one-knob tremolo is cool and all, but what this pedal really needs is a depth knob to go with it. Luckily, this is really simple. Since the brightness of the LED determines how much the volume is cut, adding a knob that dims the LED will also reduce the amount that the signal is cut by. As you can see, this signal cuts out really harsh here, but if I turn down the depth knob, the effect becomes much more subtle. With the design finished, all that's left to do is solder it all together and put it in the enclosure. I'm putting this one in an old Jack Daniels tin that my dad found, and so I'm naming it Whiskey Bent. Let me know if any of you guys liked this kind of explaining video, because I had a lot of fun making it, and hit me up if you need your own custom pedal.